The quickest way to resolve Instream Ads in review for too long. Yes, I know lots of people are facing this problem right now and looking for solution, especially those who filled and submitted their Instream Ads setup form from Nigeria and Ghana. But for some reason, they are still waiting to hear from the FB Instream Ads review team. I've seen all your complaints and I come bearing good news. So I'm going to give you detailed guidelines on how to make the Facebook review team hasten up your review process and have your request approved within the next 7 days.
Are you serious?
Yes, you heard me right. So do me a favor, like this video, save it for later, and share with other page owners because they might be looking for this update as well. And also drop a heart in the comment section as an appreciation for this update. So that being said, here are 3 ways you can make the Facebook Instream Ads review team fasten up your review process and have your request approved within the next 7 days. Step number 1. If you filled out and submitted your Instream Ads setup form from Nigeria or Ghana, and then you notice the application has been under review for over 1 month or more, then this tip I'm about to share will make the FB review team fasten up the process and have your application approved within the next 7 days. And that is for you to add a foreign admin to your page and have that person post for you from their location for the next 7 days. I suggest you get an admin from the UK or South Africa. This method works, yes, because I've tried it, and that's because adding a new admin to your Facebook page triggers Facebook to observe your account activities to ensure it complies with their policies and guidelines, especially when the admin is from a different geographical location. And just in case you don't have a way to get a foreign admin account, or you just have trust issues handing over your page to someone, you can reach out to me. I'm going to get you a foreign admin FB account, which you will link to your page and manage it by yourself from your present country of residence, but you will appear to be in that foreign country the account was set up. All you have to do is make sure you follow my detailed instructions and guidelines on how to use the account. All right, step number 2, get Meta verified badge. Yes, having a Meta blue badge on your page or profile gives you an edge over every other regular Facebook page and profile, and this includes the ability to directly contact the Facebook customer support team from your page, which is not available on a regular page or profile. That way you can easily write to them and be like, my Instream Ads setup application form has been under review for too long, so 𝐶𝐔𝐈𝐄𝐻, and they will quickly reply to you and attend to your request very fast. All right, step number 3, run Facebook ads on your page. This also works, and that's because after setting up your ads campaign, the FB support team is going to review your account before approving the ads. So during this process, they will check if your account violates any of their policies, and upon checking that, they will find out that your account is due for monetization and that you have a pending Instream Ads application form. So they will definitely attend to it. And just in case you don't know how to set up a Facebook ads campaign properly, comment the word ads setup and I will see to that. So from these 3 solutions I have provided, which one are you likely to go with? Let me know in the comment section, and don't be stingy. Share this video with others and tag that friend whom you want to see this video. Also make sure you like, follow and subscribe to MG Tech Hub for more valuable content like this. Peace.